let us do the question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. In the question it is given the surface area of sphere. It is given in the question, that is equals to 154 centimeter square. And we know the formula of surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square is equals to 154. So 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square is equals to 154. So r square will be equals to, we will do cross multiplication. 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. So 22 7s are 154. So r square will be equals to 49 upon 4. So we have to find r. So r will be equals to under root of 49 upon 4. That is equals to 7 upon 2. And 7 upon 2 is 3.5 centimeters. So the radius of the sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now let us solve the question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface area. Now in the question it is given that diameter of the moon, that is denoted by dm, that is the diameter of the moon, is 1/4 the diameter of the earth, that is denoted by de. So we know that diameter is twice of the radius, so twice of the radius of moon, that will become radius of the moon is equals to 1/4 into twice the radius of the earth. This 2 will cancel from both the sides. So when we do cross multiply, so 4 times the radius of moon is equals to radius of the earth. We have done cross multiplication. So radius of earth is 4 times the radius of moon. Now we have to find the ratio of surface area. Ratio of their surface area. We know the form surface area of sphere, that is we have taken the moon and the earth in the form of sphere, that is 4 pi rm square upon 4 pi re square, where rm is the radius of moon and r is the radius of the earth. So this 4 will cancel, pi will also cancel, and the radius of earth is 4 times the radius of moon. So that is, we will write radius of the earth is 4 times the radius of moon, that is 4 rm square. Now when we solve this will become rm square upon 4 square is 16, so it is 16 rm square. This will cancel, so we will get 1 here. So it is 1 upon 16. So the ratio is 1:16. So the ratio of surface area of moon to that of the surface area of the earth is 1:16. Let us solve the question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made up of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Now I am drawing the diagram of hemispherical bowl. This is hemispherical bowl. This is the inner radius. This much is the inner radius, and that is given 5 cm. 5 cm. So that means small r is equals to 5 cm, and it is given that it is 0.25 cm thick. So we add the thickness also here. If I add, this is from here to here, it is 0.5 cm. It is from here to here, that is the inner diameter is 5 cm, and this thickness is how much? 0.25 centimeter. 0.25 centimeter. So if you want to find the outer radius, so outer radius will be 5 centimeter plus 0.25 centimeter. So when we will add this, that the outer radius will become 5.25 centimeter. Now in the question it is asked, find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So outer curved surface area of hemispherical bowl is equals to 2 pi capital R square. Now if it is asked inner curved surface area, then we'll take 2 pi small r square. But in this question they have asked outer curved surface area. Now let us put the value 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, that is 5.25 into 5.25. Now let us solve this. We'll cancel 5.25 by 7. So it becomes 0.75. So 2 into 22 into 0.75 into 5.25, when we multiply this, we'll get the answer 173.25 centimeter square. So the outer curved surface area of the hemispherical bowl is 173.25 centimeter square. Now let us solve the last question of this exercise. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. You can see here, this is a right circular cylinder, that is a cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r, and we have to find the surface area of sphere, curved surface area of cylinder, and ratio of area obtained in the A and B, that is this A and B. So now in this, if you see carefully here, the height of the cylinder, this height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of the sphere, because this is r and this is also r, so this is diameter here. So height of the cylinder is same as that of the diameter of the sphere. So we can say h is equals to 2r, that is diameter. Okay, now in this we have to find the surface area of sphere, and we know the formula. Surface area of sphere, that is A, surface area of sphere, and the formula is 4 pi r square. Okay, now B, this is 4 pi r square. Now curved surface area of cylinder, now we'll take curved surface area of cylinder, and we know the formula that we have done previously. The curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH, and we have seen that the height of the cylinder is twice the radius, so it is 2 pi r into height is replaced by 2r, so 2 2s are 4, then pi r into r is r square. So we can also write that the curved surface area of cylinder in terms of r is 4 pi r square. Now the third part that we have to find is ratio of areas obtained. Ratio of areas obtained in A and B. In A we got the surface area ratio area, this area, that is the surface area of sphere, that is equals to 4 pi r square, and the curved surface area of cylinder also we got 4 pi r square. So now let us solve this. 4 will cancel this 4, pi will cancel with this pi, r square will cancel with this r square. So what we get? 1 upon 1. So that is 1:1. So we can say that the ratio of surface area of sphere to that of curved surface area of cylinder is 1:1.